Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the circle feature on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Start by clicking on the compose icon and select everyone to choose your audience for the tweet. 2. Next, tap on Twitter Circle from the menu options. 3. A menu will pop up providing information about Twitter Circle. Simply tap Got It to proceed. 4. You can now search for and add people to your Twitter Circle. When you have finished adding members, tap Done, located in the top right corner. 5. You will then return to the Compose Tweet screen, where you will see Twitter Circle selected as your audience. Craft your tweet and send it out to your designated circle. By following these steps, you can utilize the Circle feature on Twitter to create a specific group of individuals to share your tweets with, enhancing your engagement and interactions on the platform. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to use the Circle feature on X, Twitter on PC. Customize your audience and streamline your interactions on Twitter by leveraging this feature. Enjoy a more tailored and engaging Twitter experience with the Circle feature.